Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel, where today I'm going to be talking about the Lakeland Beard Care Morning Dew Beard Balm. Now I previously reviewed the Summer Night Balm that I absolutely loved, and so I was really looking forward to moving on to the next scent and seeing how this fared. Now Lakeland Beard Care, they've got an Etsy shop. I will put the link in the description on the YouTube channel and a link on the website. A 30ml balm will cost you $9.99, all natural, fully assessed, got a cosmetic product safety report, all the labelling is as should be. Now then, the base is beeswax, cocoa butter, sweet almond oil, argan oil and jojoba oil, and the result is a medium consistency, creamy coloured balm that has left my beard feeling nice and soft, giving it a nice hold. This one, it didn't have this in the Summer Night, this one has got a slightly grainy texture, and yes, this can happen with beard balms due to the heating up, cooling down process, or even the way it's stored. This is only very slightly so. It disappears in the hand in seconds, so it's not a problem. It only becomes problematic when you get these ones with the big lumps and you really do struggle to get rid of them. But not a problem here at all. Now then, the scent for the Morning Dew is Scots Pine, Himalayan Cedarwood and Clary Sage, and well, it's everything you would expect it to be from those essential oils. It is a piney, woodsy, earthy, slightly sweet and slightly floral, and it's not a bad scent. It's a nice blend, it really is. It's blended really well. I'm not so keen on the woodsy scents, but I will say, out of the woodsy scents, this one is done really nicely. These are the sort of products that I urge you to look into. They've only got the 2 scents and 1 unscented balm and oil available at the moment, but like all beard care brands, they have to start somewhere. But you know, all natural, handmade, small batches, fully assessed and approved. Go and check them out. Lakeland Beard Care, they're on Facebook and Instagram and everything, and the links will be on the website SatonmyButt.co.uk. I'm going to give this one a 95 out of 100. Not a bad beard balm. I tell you what, he says twice. I don't know why he did that. You wouldn't be disappointed in that, I can guarantee you. Right, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time. Take care.